but I'll do this one for everyone. This is for you, and for you, and for you, and you, and you, and for all of you. Thank you. Stacy, personally speaking, why don't you join me? Hi everybody, Stacy personally speaking, and yes, I'm still in Japan. Happy New Year to you all. It's been a really long time, I know. I did a video recently, but that was just a quick video as a pre-birthday unwrapping. And so today I decided I wanted to do a full birthday unwrapping. Today is the 15th. That means that's 9 days after my birthday. People, I have been really busy, just working. And yeah, so this month of January has been and will be very intense. And I kind of knew, of course, because I make my own schedule, right? So I just have to be prepared to go the long haul. But what I wanted to do today is to just share with you what I was blessed with. And I'll start with this bouquet that I got on Tuesday. So today is Saturday, and I got this on Tuesday, which was my first day back at work for my high school. So yes, I work part-time freelancing with 4 different companies. So when I went to the high school, this was on my desk, along with, where's the card? A very cute little card. And also this. I don't know where I put the card. Yes, you don't want to see the rest of my apartment, okay? So let's just enjoy this very peaceful and serene, pale background. All right, so this is matcha black soybean rice tea. I've never had this tea before. I don't know when I'm going to have it. So for now, I'll just keep it as beautiful looking as it is. So that was that. In my last video, I actually already revealed this, which came in this from someone who was not able to join my birthday dinner celebration. So I've been using this since. It's so good. It's really good. Keeps hot, really hot, and it's winter now, so this was just perfect. Okay, so that's birthday gift. This is the first birthday gift actually that I got. And I'm not so used to getting birthday gifts actually. Yeah, but all right, so in no particular order, because I really got excited about this gift, which I got yesterday, since I was seeing the person for the first time in probably over a year, you know, because of Corona. Maybe I saw them sometime not late last year. Early last year. I don't even remember, because Corona, we've just been staying, you know. So I got this yesterday, and they made it for me, and I really just appreciated the thought that went into this gift. It's a nice little tote bag. It's not too big, it's not too small. I love it. Of course, I love the colors, you know. So it is just perfect. And I really thank God for this gift. Okay, let's go on. Now, that person was not at my dinner celebration, right? So none of these 3 gifts that I've shown you were at my dinner celebration. Now, while at the dinner, I collected different gift bags, right? None of the gift bags had any cards inside to say from who and who. So when I got home, I'm still trying to solve the puzzle, by the way. I'm not sure who gave me what. Some of it I figured out, some I was told, but there are a couple that I'm still not sure who who I got them from. So I have to figure that out. I don't know when I'm going to do that. I've been really pressed for time. Okay, so let's move on to my next gift, which I was eating. I've been eating, and I really tried not to eat too much. But I did. So it came in this nice, very soft pink bag. And it's something that I had requested. So when I saw it, I knew exactly who I'd gotten it from. And it is dried kaki or persimmon. This is my favorite Japanese fruit. Favorite Japanese fruit. Yes, the bag was full. The bag was full, but I've been eating it as I said. I got this with some nice warm gloves. Some really nice warm gloves. And they've got this part you can use the phone with. So I'm looking forward to using these Touch winter gloves. Yeah. Okay. So let me go to the next thing. Okay. All right. So when I was coming home from the birthday dinner, I had to consolidate. So a lot of the gift bags are somewhere, but the original wrapping and stuff. Okay, so this I know who I got it from because they told me that they made it, right? This is some, and they know I love herbal stuff, and I know they love herbal stuff, so I know who this is from. Some herbal teas. I haven't opened it yet, so we just have to look at it through here, right? So that's some herbal tea. And now this I haven't opened at all. I don't know who it come from. And I don't know if after seeing it, it will help me to determine who it came from. So let's, oh wow, this is really eco-friendly packaging. You see, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's one thing that I like about Japan. They are excessive in their packaging, but when they do eco packaging, it's okay. All right, so let's see now. Don't know what this is. Oh, nice. I don't know what it is still. I can see this little handkerchief or a little rag. And don't know what is with it. I don't know what it is. What is this? Oh, green tea. Wow. Oh, eh? What? Hand cream? Okay, so here it says green tea, right? And then down here it says hand cream. So, I don't know. Wait. Is it green tea hand cream? Let me open it. It is green tea hand cream, so it's not green tea to drink. Interesting. I don't smell anything, but I love the packaging and stuff. I wonder who gave this to me. I have an idea, but I'm not sure. So I'm going to have to confirm with them and thank them properly. I've said thank you, but I haven't been specific in my thank yous because I don't know who gave me what. Okay. So this nice little thing. Oh. And this is actually the official bag that it came in, decor, because this also said decor. Okay, let's move on. Let's move it on. So you see, these people know me. All these things so far, very practical. Very practical. Very practical. Okay, what's going on here? What is this? Da, 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 da. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Okay. Okay. What does it say? Stand. Utlims master. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this looks like some gadget thing. This picture is showing me like a phone here, like you can, I don't know, I'll figure it out. But this is really nice. And guess what? This is my favorite color. Dark blue. Okay, I'm sure I'm gonna be able to use this to put my phone and like charging stuff and stuff. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. But this is going to be useful. This is going to be useful, you know? It's technology age. Even though I'm kind of old school, I'm still trying to keep up with, you know, technology and stuff. So I don't know who got this for me either. Whew. Let me keep going. I only have one more left though. One more. And in truth, I had assumed who gave this to me, and I told them thank you for this, and they said no, that's not what I gave you. That person actually gave me this, which I absolutely love, but I have to be so careful with it. Let me show you. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And this is going to have to find its way home very, very carefully. Home in Jamaica, I mean, because it is so delicate. So delicate. I need to find a better way to store it as well. Ooh, careful. Look at this. So if you know me, oh, and it smells amazing, the natural wood and straw. So I'm all about culture and, you know, heritage and identity and so on. And this is the model of a house that currently still exists in Japan. People still live in these, in a very remote kind of village area with, I don't remember how many houses are there, but during the winter time when the snow falls on these, it is like magic. I've never been there in the winter time, but I've seen pictures. I went there during the fall or spring a couple of years ago. It was really nice. And just to hear the story and the history of how these people work together when they have to redo the roof like every 10 or 20 years. Community involvement, totally. So I really love this gift as well, and I have to be careful with it, you know. So I know who got me this, and I know who got me the khaki, and I know who got me the teas, but I don't know about the rest of gifts. So it's a mystery for me to solve. But thank you so much for joining me on my 40 fine, according to my friend Tan. She coined that phrase for me, and I've just been loving it, you know. I am 40 fine. So yes, I celebrated my 40th birthday on January 6th, and I'm feeling fine. So thank you for journeying with me today. It's been a while. I've been really busy, but I will try to bring out some new content soon. I have a lot. I just don't have the time right now. Thank you for understanding. And I'm happy that you are still here in 2022, praying for, you know, all that God has in store for you. Stay safe. Do your best to help those you can. And as always, God bless you. Bye-bye.
I'm getting your recording of your main squeeze for the night.
Get that air out. Get it out. Hello, I want them to help me. But I'll do this one for everyone. This is for you, and for you, and for you, and you, and you. And for all.
No, thank you. No, thank you. I am not in your argument.
This is my.
No. No, that organ thing is all you plan.
Oh, look at that.
When you see a face in that video, we can look at it.